Good morning, students. Last time we had done up to activity 3. We had started with unit 2, that is man's relationship with animals. I had explained you what is the lesson about Perry and the horse, right? And these word meanings I had asked you to write down one time in your notebook. Now let us start with activity 3. Activity 3 is from which statements of the story do we find out that following statements are given. ये मीनिंग आपको कौन लेसन की कौन सी लाइन में से पता चलता है ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. सो यू हैव टू लिंक द लाइन्स विद दीज स्टेटमेंट्स गिवन, right? So let us do it. The first one is Perry knew Prince Edward Street the best, right? ये हमें किससे पता चलता है? From this line, no one knew the street as well as Perry, as well as did Perry Dumpin, right? Perry Dupin, sorry. So it is here. No one knew this street as well as did Perry Dupin. Then second one, Perry named Joseph. This we'll come to know from this line. I'll name him after Saint Joseph, who was dash dash dash. That you have to write the complete line. I have not written here the complete line as I do not have the space, right? So here it is. Answer 2. I'll name him after Saint Joseph, who was also very kind and gentle. Then the third line, Joseph was really a smart horse. How you know that Joseph was a smart horse? Joseph knew the milk route. Where is it given? Answer 3. Joseph knew the milk route as well as Perry did. So he was the smart horse. Now, fourth one, Joseph was getting old. How do you know that? Perry and Joseph grew older together. It is here. Perry and Joseph grew old together, but gradually, not suddenly. That is answer 4. Then, number 5, the manager thought that Perry was a sincere worker. How do you know this? He has been on this route for 30 years. The manager is saying that he has been on this route now for 30 years and not even once has there been a complaint against him. This entire sentence is answer 5, right? Then sixth one, Perry couldn't work without Joseph. Perry couldn't work without Joseph. Now answer 6, here it is. We are two old men and Joseph and I. Let us wear out together. Let us wear out together because he did not wanted to work without Joseph, right? Then seventh one, Perry drew strength from Joseph. How do you know this? Perry drew strength from Joseph. It was as though each drew. Here it is. It was as though each drew some hidden strength from the other, right? This is answer 7. Then answer 8, in a way, Joseph was as old as Perry. Perry would limp. This is the, Joseph was as old as Perry. So here, Perry would limp down the street seeming very old indeed. The horse's head would also drop and he would walk very warily to his stall. Stall मतलब वो जगह होती है जहाँ पे horses को बांध के रखते हैं, right? Then so this entire sentence is answer 8. Then answer 9. Question 9. Jakes came to know about the grief in Perry's heart. Will find another horse. कैसे पता चलता है हमें कि Jakes came to know when he says that we'll find another horse just as good as Joseph, because he knew that he cannot live without Joseph, right? That is why after Joseph is dead, Jakes is giving this option. Then 10th one, the truck driver couldn't save Perry. How do you know that? I couldn't help it. He walked straight into my truck. This is the line. This is answer 10th. There was, not this one, there was a warning yell, nahi. I think it is here. Yes, I couldn't help it. The driver of the truck protested. He walked right into my truck. That was what he said. What is it? The truck driver couldn't save Perry. So this is the line. Answer 10 यहाँ पर mark करो. It is this. I couldn't save, he protested. He directly walked into my truck. This is answer 10. I'll rub this one. This is not answer 10. Right? Because the truck driver himself is saying that I could not help it. He directly came over my truck. Now, activity 4, we will move on. There, answer the following questions. I'll be sharing a picture of this, which I've already written. The answers I've written here, and you can write it down, copy it down in your textbooks itself. Right? Let us move on to activity 5. Study the table and learn how verbs are formed by adding appropriate suffixes. Now, जो भी given words है उसमें से आपको suffix add करके verb बनाना है, right? So here it is sharp and wide. Suffix is en add करना है, sharpen और widen to make something sharp or wide. Wide मतलब दो पैरेलल इसके बीच में डिस्टेंस बढ़ाना, दैट इज बिकमिंग वाइडर. एंड टू मेक समथिंग शार्प, यू नो, शार्पनिंग अ पेंसिल, राइट. देन मटीरियल, सेंट्रल, ISE और IZE, मटीरियलाइज और सेंट्रलाइज, टू मेक समथिंग मॉडर्न. कस्टमर होता है तो कस्टमाइज, राइट. दैट वे यू चेंज इट इनटू अ वर्ब. सिंपल, प्योर, IFY, that is simplify, purify, to make something simple. Bath और breathe, it is आप E add करते हो उसको, that becomes bathe और breathe, to take a bath. Now complete the paragraph with appropriate verbs for following expressions. To make pure, to make modern, to make beautiful, to take a bath, and to put into categories, right. तो to make pure का क्या होगा, purify होगा. To make modern, modernize. To make beautiful, beautify. To take a bath, that is BATHE, bathe हो जाएगा जो यहाँ पढ़ा हमने. And to put into categories means to categorize, right. Now let us use it at appropriate places here. A new township is being set up here. They will dash it with plants and trees. क्या करेंगे उसको plants और trees से सजाएंगे. That means beautify it with plants and trees. The plants and trees will dash the air. क्या करेंगे plants and trees? Purify करेंगे, right? Purify the air. The organizers have dash, put into categories the buildings, categorized the buildings. They will also dash the water system, modernize the water system, to make modern, right. They are also planning to erect a swimming pool where we will be able to swim and bathe. Bathe मतलब नहा पाएंगे. Then activity 6, fill in the blanks with the appropriate verbs. Verbs बनाने हैं, ये जो हमको ब्रैकेट में वर्ड्स दिए हैं इसके ऊपर से. The streets of the city are being wider. सॉरी, इट शुड बी वाइडन्ड होना चाहिए. इट इज़ वाइडन्ड. आर बीइंग वाइडन्ड मतलब उसको वाइड किया जा रहा है. यू शुड यूज इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब. डू नॉट स्पीक सो लाउडली, सॉफ्टन योर टोन. सॉफ्ट इज द वर्ड. दे कुडंट डैश, ही वॉज ब्लाइंड फॉर ईयर्स. बिलीव का हो जाएगा बिलीव. बिलीव इज द वर्ब. नो बडी डैश जोसेफ्स डेथ एज मच एज पेरी. ग्रीफ का हो जाएगा ग्रीव्ड. नोबडी ग्रीव्ड जोसेफ्स डेथ. एफ निकल जाता है, VED लग जाता है. प्लीज सी द डिफरेंस इन द स्पेलिंग. ओके, देन जोसेफ्स डेथ डैश पेरीज लाइफ फॉर एवर. डार्क, डार्कंड. जेक्स डैश पेरी टू टेक अ डे ऑफ. एडवाइज्ड, एडवाइज का क्या हो जाएगा, एडवाइज्ड. एडवाइज्ड पेरी टू टेक अ डे ऑफ. एवरीवन dash the old man's death. Sympathy, sympathized. Everyone sympathized the old man's death. 8th, the old story dash love between animal and man. That is symbol, symbolizes. This story symbolizes love between animal and man. Joseph's death dash Perry horrified. It will become horrified, Perry. The warning yell of the truck dash the old man, it will become terrified. Terrible का हो जाएगा terrified, horrible का हो जाएगा horrified, right? You have to make the verbs. Now further, activity 7, pick out the appropriate expression for the underlined words or phrases in the following statements. The horseman was run over by a truck. The truck driver said, I couldn't help. I couldn't help का आपको मीनिंग फाइंड आउट करना है. I was unable to save him. I regret I have killed him. I believe I was not in the wrong. I was unable to save him. इसका मीनिंग होता है I couldn't help, मतलब मैं उसको बचा नहीं पाया. Perry used to say that he didn't need reins. Didn't need reins मतलब the horse required no control. The horse could do without reins. The horse went out of his control. Out of his control तो गलत है. Horse required no control. The horse could do without reins. Without reins भी वो काम कर सकता था, उसको ज़रूरत नहीं थी reins की. Okay, further. Maybe you have got the gout. He was sure that Perry suffered from gout. He thought Perry suffered from gout. Maybe बोला है तो thought हो जाएगा, right? He thought Perry might develop a gout in future. No, this is completely wrong. He is suffering from gout, ऐसा उसको लगा. His salary will go on just the same. His salary will continue as usual. His salary will be raised. His salary will be reduced. Reduce और raise कुछ भी नहीं है, जैसा चल रहा है वैसे चलेगा. Okay, so will be as usual. Then he saw something which startled him. Startled, surprise. Startled का meaning होता है surprise. Worried and saddened नहीं. Okay, further. Activity 8. Write underlined sentences from the passage in a different way as suggested below. Rule 1. When one thing, person is compared with another thing or person, interchange the places of the things or persons compared. ये हम लोग adjectives में करते हैं. Degrees of comparison हमने किया है, right? Accordingly, you have to change the things, the nouns. Change the affirmative verb to negative and negative verb to affirmative. Change from as dash as, so dash as positive degree to ER, then comparative degree. Comparative degree में हम ER लगाते हैं verb को, right? Tall, taller than, right? Shorter than. Positive में ER नहीं होता है. As tall as, right? ये simple comparison है. Okay, observe the changes made in the following sentences. Ramesh is as tall as Radha. Radha is not taller than Ramesh. क्या करना है हमें? दोनों का हाइट सेम है, राइट? एज टॉल एज राधा. तो हमें एज टॉल एज को निकाल के नॉट टॉलर ऐड करना है. कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, टॉल का टॉलर ऐड करना है, मतलब दोनों सेम. इसका मीनिंग भी सेम ही निकलता है. राधा इज़ नॉट टॉलर देन रमेश. दोनों सेम हाइट के हैं इसलिए, राइट? फर्दर, हितेश वॉज एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज हिरेन. Hiren is not stronger than Hitesh, right? You are as different, as intelligent as your brother. Your brother is not more intelligent than you. Intelligent का more intelligent, most intelligent होता है. Then a donkey is not so clever as a horse. A horse is cleverer than a donkey, right? The sentences is already given, and write the underlined sentences from the passage in a different way as suggested below. Underlined sentences हमें passage में दिए हैं यहाँ पर, वो हमें ऐसे लिखने हैं जो आपको examples अभी दिए हैं. So no one knew this street as well as did Perry Dupin, right? So Perry Dupin knew the street, that street, well than anyone else, या better than anyone else, ऐसा आप लिख सकते हो, right? Then I will name him after Saint Joseph, who was, sorry, this is not underlined, but let us go to the underlined one. Joseph knew the milk route as well as Perry did, right? So how will you do? Joseph knew, या पेरी से आप स्टार्ट करो, उल्टा स्टार्ट करो. पेरी डिड नॉट न्यू द मिल्क रूट more better than Joseph. That you can write it, right? I will also write it on a piece of paper and I'll share the answers for this, right? Then which is the next underlined sentence? It's not here. We'll find another horse just as good as Joseph. So how will you make it? We will find another horse which is not better than Joseph, right? मतलब as good as Joseph, उसका मीनिंग सेम ही होता है, बट हम उसको उल्टा बोल रहे हैं, नॉट को ऐड कर रहे हैं. वी आर मेकिंग द सेंटेंस नेगेटिव. Okay, so these are the three sentences. I'll just jot it down on a piece of paper and I'll share the answer key so that you can write it better, because just dictating it like this would not help. Further, let us move on to activity 9. I'll just share the answers of activity 8 further. Activity 9, rewrite the following sentences as directed. Energy put into reclamation is often higher than the energy released in the product. Rewrite using high. Energy put into reclamation is as high as the energy released in the product. Right? As high use करना पड़ेगा. Higher than is a comparative form. हमें उसको high use करना है, मतलब positive form use करना है. She looked as new as a peeled egg. Rewrite using newer. She looked newer than a peeled egg. It is a task as difficult as walking on a razor edge. Rewrite the following. Rewrite using more difficult, right? It is a task as difficult as walking on a razor's edge. This task is more difficult than walking on a razor's is not more difficult than walking on a razor's edge. The shame lies not so much in going to jail as in committing the offense. Change the degree. The shame lies not so much. It is a positive one, right? The shame lies not in the shame lies not in going to not in doing the offense but in going to jail. Not in committing the offense but in going to jail. The human animal had more intelligence and better weapons than his cousins. Use intelligence and good and rewrite the following sentences. The human animal had more intelligence and better weapons. Intelligence and good use करना है. The human animal had more intelligence and good weapons than his cousins. This is a much surer method than using saliva. Change the degree. This is the most sure method than using saliva. More surer है मतलब क्या होता है उसका? It is comparative degree which you have to change it into superlative degree. So it should be much की जगह पे आप most use करोगे. We know a bit more than the ladies do. Change the degree. We know a bit more की जगह पे आप क्या लगाओगे? A bit more than the ladies do. We know a bit most than the ladies do. More की जगह पे most हो जाएगा. Now next is exercise activity 10. Write a paragraph on the following in about 150 words. How should animals be treated? Points, usefulness of animals to mankind. This is just a kind of paragraph writing or essay writing जो आप करते हो. I have already taught you paragraph writing and essay writing. It is given into your textbook, right? Grammar textbook. It was already given last year also, we did it. So accordingly you are given points which you have to describe in your personal language, in your own sentences, in a form of a paragraph, right? You have to write about 150 words, not a paragraph. It's just like a short essay of 2 paragraphs, say. 150 words you have to write. Points given are usefulness of animals to mankind, how they are usually treated, how do mankind treat the animals, then suffering of animals, how the animals suffer because of that is human beings using them, then change in your attitude, change in our attitude and treatment towards animals, how we should change our attitude and treatment towards animals, that also you have to write. So just write down a nice paragraph around 20 lines, because it is 150 words, so you should at least write 20 lines, then only you can make up for 150 words and describe all these points which are being given in your own words, right? So this I'll give it as homework. You have to learn to write how you can describe all these things. I'll just put it as homework. Write it here itself or in your notebook, because I doubt 150 words will be accommodated here. So write it in your notebook only. That's better. Right? And finish all these exercises in the textbook which I have given. I am sharing the photograph of question answers. All these things which I have written here, you can just write it down. Here also all the sentences cannot be written completely over here, right? You have to just put dash 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 dash, because all the entire sentence cannot be accommodated here. So better write it in your notebook only. Write this in your notebook. I'm just writing it. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप यहीं पे लिखो, क्योंकि ज़्यादा लंबे नहीं हैं, आप यहाँ पे फिनिश कर सकते हो. देन these words again you have to write it in the notebook. fill in the blanks इधर ही ख़त्म करो, ये सब इधर ही हो जाएगा, ज़रूरत नहीं है कॉपी डाउन करने की. this also you select it here only. These sentences you will have to write it in your notebook, which I'll share the answer key. This and this both, activity 8 and 9, and this activity 10. Right now next time we will be starting with another lesson from grammar textbook. We stop here up to unit 2, and I'll be sharing the question answers. Also this time I am sharing the question answers of workbook. आपकी जो वर्कबुक है विकास सेमिस्टर 1 वर्कबुक, उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी इस बार मैं फोटोग्राफ में शेयर करने वाली हूँ. आई हैव फिनिश द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इन दिस, so you start writing it in your respective workbooks and complete them. Right? We stop here today.